So here is your no stem anatomic menstrual cup. So it comes with a smooth base. There are ridges here that you can hold, and I'm just going to show you how to insert it. So having washed, sterilized your menstrual cup, you get into the position that you desire. So maybe having your leg up over the toilet, sitting on the toilet, or squatting, whichever one you find. Try different positions. So basically you take the cup, you punch it down the middle, and then you pull it down, and that makes the cup itself quite small, so that you can insert it easily. And then once it's in, it then pops open to collect the blood. I'll just show that using this glass. So you've done the punch down, pull down, held it tight, put it in, and then it pops open. And that's it. You may need to regulate to be and press the button to be sure that it's in properly. So that is your menstrual cup inserted. To take it out, it's similar. So you go to this bottom of the cup and just pinch it to release the seals. So there's seals on the side, which I'll show again, and then you wriggle it gently left and right, and then pull it down. It comes out. You can empty it, wash it, and that's it. When you come to clean it, just make sure that the holes on the inside there, these holes are clear. And to do that, when you're washing it, you can put your hand over it when you have water and squeeze the water out, and that will ensure it's clear. If you're changing when there's no water, you can empty it and just wipe it with tissue around the edges there, just to make sure that's clear, and then punch, press, and reinsert, and it pops open. So that's that for that one. For the collapsible cup, it's a flat cup, comes in a case like that. So it comes flat. You punch it open, having cleaned it as well. So it's a much smaller cup than the anatomic cup. Also has no stem, so it has a flat, smooth base, and it's got ridges on the sides here, which make it a lot more comfortable for people who are smaller, and enables you to fold it. And this one, you can also do the punch fold like you did with the anatomic cup. You have an even smaller cup there to insert. It makes a really small entry point, and it pops open. Or you can do the C fold, so you press it flat like that, and then bring it together, hold tightly, insert it, and it pops open. So that's that for that cup. It's quite small. I'll show with the same container here. So if you've punched it, held it like that, inserted it, it's quite loose in here. So that's why that's for people who haven't had a baby. And to remove it, you also pinch the base and wriggle it back and forth, and then it's out. So it's similar to the other one. You pinch the base, wriggle it back and forth, and it's ready to come out empty. Also has those holes at the side for suction. So when cleaning, just make sure that you clear them out in the same way. So water in, press to make sure the water is out, and you have your cup, and that's your menstrual cup. So it's quite it's flexible, soft, it's smooth. Once it's in, you don't feel it at all. Same thing with the larger menstrual cup. So that's both of them side by side. You can see the difference in size. This holds 25 ml, this holds 35 ml. So that's the difference between both. But I mean, in terms of what to buy, it depends on whether you've had a vaginal birth or not. So that's both menstrual cups together.